SAES has a strong experience in the ultra-high vacuum sector and has developed compact and functional pumps over the years. The revolutionary NEXTorr pump was conceived and patented by SAES as a breakthrough innovation to combine a neg element and an ion element on the same flange for utmost compactness. The NEXTorr is now very well established in the field, having replaced conventional ion pumps in many vacuum applications thanks to unique features like lightweight, a couple of kilograms, very high pumping performance in spite of the small footprint, absence of vibrations, the ability to keep pumping without power. The latter one is particularly appreciated by the manufacturers of Electron microscopes. In fact, since the neg element does not need any power after the initial activation, this feature makes it possible to transport the electron microscope to the end users in vacuum without batteries. Once the microscope equipped with the NEXTorr pump is delivered to the lab, it can be made quickly operative by the service engineer, as the gun chamber is already in vacuum with no need of any further bake process, and is ready to create high-quality images with top performance from the very first day of installation. With the NEXTorr, SAES provides the electron microscope market with the most compact and high-performing pump available today.